Are these historic sites now museums, or do religious people still live in them? Who are these men and women who in the 21st century choose to retreat into monasteries? If each step is a dream on the road to wisdom, our journeys are a modern pilgrimage bringing unexpected encounters on a voyage of discovery around timeless monasteries that are sometimes majestic, often inaccessible, but always mysterious. Monasteries of pilgrimage, monasteries of memories, monasteries beside water, monasteries out of the ordinary, and those that are hidden away at the ends of the earth.